continue to watch this video if you want to see on how I made this delicious cornbread with cupcake. I'm telling you guys, this recipe right here is a must try. It is so moist, so mouth-watering. Guys, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Share this video to our friends, to your families, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. So guys, stay tuned for the whole video. Not gone away. Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make cornbread. Yes. So in my bowl right here, I've got 2 cups of fine cornmeal, okay? And I also have ½ cup of self-raising flour, 1 spoon of baking powder, and sugar. And I'm gonna use 1 cup of granulated sugar, okay? And 1 tablespoon of salt. So first thing I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna mix my flour and my cornmeal all together. You want to make sure that it is all blend. I love cornbread. I don't make it all the time, but I really like it. Yes. So now I'm gonna add my baking powder, because I'm starting off, guys, with my dry ingredients first. My salt and my sugar. You just want to mix it all in. So that's done. So these are all of my wet ingredients. Here I have 2 eggs, some butter, at least just over ¼ cup of room temperature butter that I melt, some vegetable oil, just over ¼ cup, honey, and I'm gonna add at least 4 spoonful of honey, and this is my double cream, and I'm gonna add at least just over 2 cups, okay? So I'm just gonna whisk my egg, guys. Just make sure that it is all blend. So guys, I'm gonna start off by adding my heavy cream. Then I'm gonna add my egg. My vegetable oil. My butter. You want to mix it all in. Make sure that everything is all combined. Then I'm gonna add my dry ingredients. Now I'm gonna mix it all in. You want to give it a good stir, guys, so everything will all combine. Okay, I'm gonna take my wooden spoon and mix it. So guys, if it need any more milk, you can always add some more milk to it or some water. Okay, so this is how it look. I'm gonna add just a bit more cornmeal to it because I don't want it to be too runny. So I'm just gonna add some more cornmeal. Make sure, guys, you add cornmeal instead of flour, okay? Because you don't want it to be flourally, because otherwise it's gonna come out looking like a cake, basically. Yeah, so that's perfect. So guys, this is totally optional, but I'm just gonna add just a bit of vanilla to it. Not a lot, at least 1 tablespoon. Okay, it's just gonna enhance the taste. And lastly, I'm gonna add my honey. So that's done. Ready to bake. So guys, this is totally optional, but I'm just gonna add some coconut to my cornbread, okay? And I get this one, you know, just from the pack. Yes. So I'm just gonna add just over 1/4 cup, okay? Honestly, guys, anything with coconut is gonna be delicious. Trust me. Honestly, it's gonna be so good. So I'm just gonna add it all. And just mix it all together. Honestly, guys, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be really good. This is like my secret ingredients to my cornbread. Yes. So that's perfect. So here I have my baking tray, guys. So what I did, I just butter it, just spread the butter all over. So now I'm gonna add my mixture. I think I'm gonna leave back some, guys, to make a few cupcakes also. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in my oven at 150 degrees Celsius, okay? So as I said, I'm just gonna make a few cupcake, a few cornbread cupcake. I'm just gonna add it like that. You don't want to add too much. And I'm just gonna bake the cupcake, guys, for at least 25 minutes. Because you know the cupcake, it finished more quicker, you know, it baked quicker. Yes. So that's done. So guys, my cornbread is finally finished. And I'm telling you guys, it's looking so good. It came out amazing. It's been baking, guys, for at least just 1 hour and 5 minutes. Because I'm making a big cornbread. So that's why it take, you know, it take a bit of time, yeah. And my cornbread cupcake. So I'm just removing it from here. Honestly, guys, it comes out so good. Look at this. So perfect. The cupcake been baking, I would say, just over 25 minutes. Yes. The cornbread, guys, is so nice, so crispy, so golden on the top. And that's exactly how I like it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some melted butter and just put it over it like so. And I'm also gonna add some honey. You're gonna spray some honey on it so it keep nice and moist. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness, look at the edge. The edge of the cornbread, guys, is so crispy. I'm telling you, this recipe, guys, is a must try. It is super delicious. Honestly, your whole family is gonna enjoy it. So good. Gonna also add some butter on the cupcake cornbread. So I'm just giving you guys an up close look on how delicious my cornbread looks like. I'm telling you guys, this recipe right here is a must try. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it, guys, okay? And subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, so you can receive more delicious videos like these. Oh my goodness, just look at those cupcake cornbread, guys. Oh, it is so nice. It is super delicious. So now I'm just gonna cut into my cornbread because I want to show you guys on the inside how it looks. So stay tuned, not gone away. As I was saying, I'm just cutting into my cornbread, and honestly, guys, it looks amazing. It looks so good. And I just taste some. My goodness, honestly, guys, it tastes amazing. Look at that, guys. This is a perfect cornbread. You could taste the coconut, the honey. Honestly, guys, it is so good. Look at this, guys. It is so nice, so soft. So I'm just sprinkle some of my coconut flake on top. Oh my goodness. Honestly, guys, I hope you do try this recipe. If you try, please comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? And I also add some cherry, guys, just to make it look nice and pretty, you know, because I want it to look pretty for you guys. So guys, I thank you all so much for watching this amazing video. Honestly, it tastes super, super delicious. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye, guys. Much love.